Welcome to my Tazkiyah. Are you stuck with feelings of guilt, shame, remorse, and despair? Has your porn and sex addiction affected your studies, work, marriage, and family relationship? Has your online pornography use escalated? Are you crossing boundaries and watching things you would never have thought of watching? Or has your addiction progressed from pornography to zina? Well, we're here to tell you you're not alone, and you've come to the right place.
My Tazkiyah is the place where Muslim males and females struggling with pornography addiction and sexually destructive behaviours can find recovery and freedom.
We have an 8-stage program which has been designed to accommodate Muslims. This program has very high recovery rates and has proven to be successful in helping sex addicts reclaim their lives. My Tazkiyah is a community with a common journey of recovery. You can engage with people and bring the inside out without being judged, but rather get help, support, monitoring, and guidance. All this can be done anonymously by creating a members account with your preferred display name. Our program will help you get to the stage in life where you are free from the misery of this addiction and can feel confident and good about yourself again. By joining our program, we will give you a plan that you can follow, a simple method of recovery that has worked for countless individuals. Our program focuses on dealing with the root causes that are driving your addiction. Once these root causes are dealt with, the addiction problem sorts itself out, inshallah. Your current lifestyle is what's fueling this addiction. We will help you rewire the circuits in order for you to see permanent and lasting change for the better. In the My Tazkiyah program, you get access to the following: network with other recovering Muslims in a private group, VIP access to our portal and Content Plus worksheets, accelerate your recovery by quickly connecting with other recovering members, listen in and connect on weekly calls and recordings, read all about the problems, solutions, and become one of our success stories. Get one-to-one coaching with our professionals, which include psychotherapists, counselors, and qualified coaches who specialize in porn addiction recovery. There is no judgment here. We ensure full privacy. It can be hard to reach out when it comes to such a sensitive subject, and we know how you feel. This is why we take privacy very seriously.